Friends, welcome back to GK Funda. The topic for the day is general knowledge. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Question number 1. Butterfly is associated with basketball, snooker, swimming, football. Right answer, swimming. Question number 2. Where is Waterloo? England, Italy, France, Belgium. Right answer, Belgium. Question number 3. Where is the Bandipur National Park? Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Assam. Right answer, Karnataka. Question number 4. On which day World Health Day observed? 7th April, March 15, April 9, April 10. Right answer, 7th April. Question number 5. First electric railway was opened in 1853, 1855, 1905, 1925. Right answer, 1925. Question number 6. The law of increasing return means increasing cost, decreasing cost, increasing product, increasing income. Right answer, decreasing cost. Question number 7. During the period of Renaissance, new style of architecture first developed in Italy, France, England, Germany. Right answer, Italy. Question number 8. Which is the following is the latest tank? Akash, Prithvi, Arjun, Bhim. Right answer, Arjun. Question number 9. Who among the following introduced the world's first laptop computer in the market? Hewlett Packard, Epson, Loplink Traveling, Microsoft. Right answer, Epson. Question number 10. Which of the following has been found useful in keeping cholesterol level down? Garlic, serpentina, tulsi, turmeric. Right answer, garlic. Question number 11. The capital of Portugal is Doha, Budapest, Lisbon, Moscow. Right answer, Lisbon. Question number 12. Garba is an Indian dance form originated in Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. Right answer, Gujarat. Question number 13. Who is the author of the book Charm of Life? Henry Miller, H.W. Longfellow, E.M. Forster, Catherine Mayo. Right answer, H.W. Longfellow. Question number 14. Which of the following is not associated with UNO? WHO, ASEAN, ILO, Security Council. Right answer, ASEAN. Question number 15. Knesset is the name of Parliament of Japan, Bosnia, Israel, France. Right answer, Israel. Question number 16. Which Indian sculptor designed the world's tallest Statue of Unity? M.N. Rimjon, Ram Sutar, Vivian Sundaram, Jitesh Kallot. Right answer, Ram Sutar. Question number 17. International date line is fixed along the meridian 90 degree, 15 degree, 45 degree, 180 degree. Right answer, 180 degree. Question number 18. Which planet is called evening star? Mars, Mercury, Venus, Jupiter. Right answer, Venus. Question number 19. Which country has launched the world first sovereign blue bond? Seychelles, United Kingdom, Japan, Fiji. Right answer, Seychelles. Question number 20. Who is known as Indian Bismarck? Nehru, Patel, M.K. Gandhi, Kamraj. Right answer, Patel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.